Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. Gonna be doing something a little fun today for Cast Iron Wednesday. So welcome, Cast Iron Wednesday. I got this little egg pan I bought, and I'm gonna be making some McMuffins because that sounded good and thought it'd be kind of fun. So let's get to it. All right, so I got some country shredded hash browns. These are on sale. The 12 bag was only $2.49. That should be, that should be enough. Might as well season them. A little slap your mama. Perhaps a bit of garlic. Oop. Alright, I went ahead and added some garlic powder and then a little bit of salt. This happened to be on sale, so I got some Canadian bacon. I'll warm that up. Couple slices of American cheese. I got some sausage crumbles here, so I thought I'd do one. It's going to be a sausage, egg, and cheese, and the other one's going to be Canadian bacon, cheese, and a fried egg on an English muffin, which I got two of them right here. So, all right, so I'm going to heat up my sausage in this one. I don't need a ton in here. This is all just pre-cooked sausage. I'm just basically heating it up. Doing my prep work off camera. I got one egg which I beat. I'm gonna toast my muffins, because everything is just elevated when you toast it. Just warming these up. I'm actually just using this skillet to warm things up, which I'm gonna move the sausage over to this bowl, because I'm gonna put the egg in there and then put the sausage on top of it in this pan. This is non-stick. I think this pan would stick if I put them in there. So, unfortunately, let's Hands seem to get a little dry. Throw in some butter. All right. Get this off. Alright. Got my scrambled eggs. And of course I got pepper. Checking our hash browns, they're looking pretty good. Looking real good, actually. Flip this little guy. Sweet. No. Get some cheese on it. Now that's going to be hot enough. I'm going to slide this over the burner. That's my Canadian bacon for the muffin. Go ahead and get this muffin put on the... There we go. Now, push that out of the way. Get our little mini egg pan on there again. A little bit more butter. Not that I really need it, but... I'm going to do these kind of over medium. So I am going to break the yolk. And of course pepper it. Alright. And there's the flip. I'll go ahead and put the egg and Canadian bacon right on top. Unfortunately, I wasn't paying attention to my toaster and my muffin got a little on the dark side. So I'm going to make a new one. So, oops. Guess I'll go ahead and pull these hash browns. Just waiting on that other English muffin that I can eat. Everything's off. Just waiting on my other English muffin. Unfortunately, my egg has been sitting here basically done while waiting for me to get my muffins together. There we go. And I'm a ketchup on the hash browns guy. Alrighty. There we go. I still haven't moved. I haven't gotten rid of that oven yet. Hash browns came out good. I'll try the sausage, egg, and cheese McMuffin. I don't know what to do about American cheese. And we got the egg McMuffin. But I tell you what, delicious, quick, simple. Probably took me about 15-20 minutes to put together. You know, I've already made home fries, so in that video, honestly, I shot that video 2 days ago, and I'm already making breakfast again. Like I said, I love breakfast, so this is an easy one, or this is a good one. I'm gonna go eat dinner because it's actually dinner time. Have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your week. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. We'll catch you in the next one. Have any questions, put them down below, and then I'll see you next one. Peace.